Hi guys, MyTechTalks back here with another video, and today we're going to do a water test on the JBL GO 3. There you go. And I'm going to be playing some music real quick. Okay, this is on 50%. It's a song from YouTube. It'll be in the description if you want to check it out. Let's turn it up to max. Max on volume. 3, 2, 1. There's that timer. We'll be back in 1 hour's time. Hi guys, there's the timer. Dismiss the timer. 1 hour underwater. Let's play some music. Let's power this on. That's a good start. Well, there you go guys, it works absolutely fine. Forgot to mention that this has an IP67 rating compared to the JBL GO 2, which has an IPX7 rating. So technically the older one is more water resistant than this one, but it passed my test, my 1 hour test underwater, so that's pretty important. And that's pretty much it. If you are going to charge this device, make sure it's completely dry. Otherwise, if you put your charger in, or a USB-C charger into this side, you might damage the cable, and you don't want to do that. So leave it to dry off for a few hours, and then you plug it in after that until it's dry. So that's all for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn notifications, and comment down below what you thought about this video. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.